Hello guys, in this section we shall read the text, we'll learn new and unknown words and phrases, and then you will be able to translate the text on your own. However, in case you have some doubts or anything else, you can always find the translated text in PDF format. So, cominciamo. Text number 1. Buongiorno, signora Lombardi. Come sta? Buongiorno, signor Conti. Sto bene. E lei? Non c'è male, grazie. Buongiorno, a presto. Arrivederla. And the second one? Ciao Marco. Salve, come va? Benissimo, e tu come stai? Abbastanza bene. Ci vediamo domani. Sì, a domani. Ciao. Okay, now let's learn some new words. Buongiorno is good morning, good day, or simply hello. It's pretty much formal. You'll use it to greet someone politely, for example, a superior or an older person. It's interesting that buongiorno is used either to say hello and goodbye. The same thing goes for buonasera, which means good afternoon or good evening, and it also means goodbye. The Italians usually use buongiorno until 3 or 4 p.m. and afterwards it's better to say buonasera. Then the next word is signora, which means madam or Mrs. Signorina is young lady or miss. Signore, sir, gentleman, mister. If a masculine title ends in E, in front of the name you'll have to drop the final E. For example, it's not going to be Signore Conti, but Signor Conti. It's not going to be Dottore Colombo, but Dottor Colombo. It's not going to be Ingegnere Rossi, but Ingegner Rossi. It's only if the title ends in E. For example, Avvocato Marini stays Avvocato Marini because it ends in O. Let's move to the next phrase. Come sta? How are you? It's formal addressing. For informal addressing, you say come stai. The answer, however, is the same. Sto bene, or just bene. I'm good. Well. Let's see some other possible answers to the questions come sta or come stai. Sto molto bene. Very good, very well. Sto benissimo. Very good, fine. Sto abbastanza bene. Quite well. Sto male. Bad. Non sto bene. Not good, not well. And non c'è male. Not bad. E lei means and you, it's formal addressing. E is and. Lei is literally she. But if used formally, it means you. Remember, the Italians always use the third person singular feminine gender for formal addressing. Every time you want to formally address to someone, you will use lei, whether it's male or female. Then the next word is grazie. Of course, you know what it means, but anyway, it's thank you or thanks. Prego is welcome. Presto is soon. It also means shortly, early, quickly. So, a presto is see you soon. A presto, Marco. Arrivederla. Goodbye. This form is strictly formal, and most likely you won't hear it often. Arrivederci is of more common use for both formal and informal addressing. And another word that everybody knows, ciao. It's hi or hello. It's rather informal, so it's best to use it with people you know. Ciao also means bye, and in this case it's informal too. Salve, hi or hello, but we can't use it in the meaning of bye. Then, come va? How are you? or literally, how is it going? You answer the same way as if asked come sta or come stai. For example, ciao Marco, come va? Bene, molto bene o non c'è male. You choose. Ci vediamo domani. See you tomorrow. Or a domani. It's also see you tomorrow, but literally it means until tomorrow. Domani is hence tomorrow. In the end, sì is yes, and no is naturally no. I know you knew it, but hey, just in case. That's it. A presto, ragazzi. Ciao.